After setting up the program's core components, the initial step is to create or define the user's company, which is essential for recording data and performing various tasks. To define a new company, navigate to the Setup menu and select Option 8, Company Creation. This menu allows users to set up and establish a new company within the program. After accessing the screen, users can notice two default companies that the program has already prepared. When creating a new company, it is recommended that users assign different prefixes to distinguish each company. For example, using a prefix number like 9 for a company named Test Data can help differentiate it clearly within the program. For empty data, we've assigned the prefix letter Z, which impacts the ordering of data within the program. The data ordering begins with numbers 0 to 9, followed by English letters, and finally Thai letters. This sequence is used to prioritize the importance or frequency of use for different companies. It is recommended that users should place frequently used companies at the top of the list to facilitate easy access. Next, to add information, it's important to be familiarized with the toolbar or command tab located above. The first command is represented by a white paper icon. Users can hover their mouse over the icon to view a short description of its functions. Clicking this icon enables users to add data, or users can press Alt-A on the keyboard to achieve the same action. The second command is represented by a white paper icon with a pencil and an eraser. This command is used to edit data after users have entered and saved their data. To edit, users can click on this icon or press Alternate E on the keyboard. The third command is represented by a trash can icon, used for deleting data. Users can activate this command by pressing Alternate D on the keyboard. The fourth command is a cancel icon, which allows users to cancel an operation such as adding or editing data. Users can click on this icon or press the escape key on the keyboard to cancel. Next, there is a yellow printer icon, which enables users to print out documents and store them in a file. To use this function, users can click on the yellow printer icon or press Alternate P on the keyboard. After selecting the first command to add data, the program duplicates the original data for the users. To delete the old data, users can click on the data, drag to select all the desired data, and then press the delete key on the keyboard. When entering the company name on the screen, users have the flexibility to input both Thai and English names, as well as their full or abbreviated names. Note that the name entered on the screen is not used as a document or report header during printing. Instead, it serves solely for users to select and operate under that specific company. For instance, the company name entered in this example will be Express. After entering the company name, users should specify the fiscal year to indicate when this information was initially processed. For example, entering 2024 and then pressing enter or clicking on the second column proceeds to the data code section. The data code column automatically copies the code from the previous row, allowing users to either retain or modify it. This code serves as a security measure within the program. In this case, the same code will be retained. Users can then press enter or click on the third column to proceed further. The third column, data path, defines or creates a folder where all the company's data will be stored. It is recommended that users name this path using an abbreviation of their business, followed by the year of the data. However, there are specific constraints to consider. First, the name must be composed using English letters and numbers, avoiding Thai characters. Second, the name cannot exceed 8 characters in length. Although users can input more characters, the program will only recognize the first 8. Third, users should refrain from using spaces or slashes within the name if possible. Fourth, Ensure that the name chosen is unique and not a duplicate of any previously used name to maintain clarity and organization within the program. On this company creation screen, users can verify if the name they've chosen is unique. For instance, we will name the business Express Software Group, followed by the year of the information. It's important to note that this name does not exceed the 8-character limit when combined. After entering the name, users should press Enter, and a screen will prompt them to select the desired data source. Choosing a data source determines where the new company will pull initial data from for use. In this scenario, the program offers two options for selection. The first option, create data from backup file or sample data file, indicates that users have previously used the Express program and have backed up data to a thumb drive or CD, intending to use that backed up data in this new company. Currently, users are unable to select choice 1. Therefore, the only available option is choice 2, copy data from the existing company, which allows users to copy information from an existing company on the company creation screen. In this case, since users are using the program for the first time, no existing information is needed. The names of creators, creditors, and debtors will be entered later by the user. The primary requirement at this stage is the chart of accounts, which serves as a guideline for future work. Therefore, users will select choice 2 and proceed by clicking OK. The program will display the names of existing companies on the screen, showing only 2 companies in this case. To proceed with using only the chart of accounts, users should select Z Empty Data version 1, which is empty and contains only the chart of accounts. Click on the option, then click OK. Next, click OK again to confirm and move data to this new path. Wait for the program to complete the data copying process. Once the copying process is complete, a pop-up screen will notify users that the information has been copied from DAT, where the empty data are stored, to the new data path. Click OK to confirm, then click New Data. Process is complete. Click OK to proceed. Now that the program has saved the new company, the cursor has moved to the next line, allowing users to enter another company if desired. If the user only wishes to create or copy one company, click on the Cancel command, represented by a red circle icon to complete the process. Notice that by entering the number 1 as a prefix for the company is rearranged to the top of the line. Once the user has finished creating a new company, close the screen by clicking the X in the upper right corner.